Memecoins are cryptocurrencies created based on internet memes or jokes, such as Dogecoin or Shiba Inu. Although they often start as jokes or projects without great pretensions, some of them gain traction through online communities and can reach high market values, even without solid economic fundamentals. These coins become objects of intense speculation, driven more by popularity and hype than by intrinsic value or economic utility. Enjoyed this content? Then don't miss out on the other videos on my channel. I'm sure you'll find something that catches your interest. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way, you'll stay updated with all the new content and help the channel grow even more. I'm counting on you. Financial decentralization. Imagine a world where control of money is no longer in the hands of central banks and governments, but of decentralized networks. Memecoins are symbols of this new paradigm. They challenge the established power by offering an alternative to the traditional financial system. Instead of relying on intermediaries, these currencies allow for direct transactions between people, without the need for a bank or government entity. This is not just a change in the way people exchange value. It is a revolution that puts economic power in the hands of individuals, potentially fragmenting the centralized control that underpins modern capitalism. This financial decentralization threatens to undermine the foundation of traditional capitalism by destabilizing fiat currencies and banking systems. When people start to trust more in a digital currency that no government can handle, the concept of value starts to change. Fiat money could lose its predominance, leading to a scenario where the monetary policy of governments becomes irrelevant. If the trend continues, it could mark the beginning of a new global financial system, one that is unpredictable and governed by new rules and new players. Community-based economy. Online communities united by a shared interest are gaining control over digital economies, breaking the monopoly of traditional markets. Memecoins are a powerful example of how the internet is shaping a new economy, where value is determined not by conventional financial metrics, but by social consensus. These communities are creating their own economic rules based on trust and collaboration, rather than competition and monopoly. In a world where memes can be worth millions, what's in the way we think about value in economics stands in the way. This dynamic can lead to the formation of new community economies, which operate outside traditional market norms. As more people get involved with these currencies, they are beginning to see the potential to create and sustain value in unconventional ways. This could reshape the global economy, promoting models based on sharing and cooperation, and challenging the idea that economic value should be monopolized by large corporations or financial entities. Disruption of traditional markets. Global financial markets can be deeply affected by the volatility of memecoins. When large amounts of money are moved by impulsive decisions based on online trends, traditional market stability is put at risk. Imagine a situation where a viral tweet or a post from an influencer causes a massive collapse or a sudden increase in the value of a memecoin. This is not only possible, is happening. And traditional markets, with their more predictable rhythms, are forced to adapt or face the consequences. This unpredictability can lead to a crisis of confidence in traditional investments. If institutional investors start to engage meaningfully with memecoins, the extreme price fluctuations could affect stocks, bonds, and even traditional currencies. A market where value is so volatile could be unsustainable in the long run, potentially triggering a complete reassessment of how assets are valued and traded. This could represent a seismic shift in the global economy, a move toward a less stable and more impulsive financial world. Accessibility and financial inclusion. The real revolution of memecoins may lie in their accessibility. Unlike traditional financial systems, which frequently exclude those without significant capital or access to financial resources, anyone with an internet connection can participate in the memecoin market. This levels the playing field, providing opportunities for those who have historically been excluded from traditional financial markets. The promise is great: a more inclusive global economy where financial success is not determined by status or prior access to capital. This financial democratization could catalyze significant cultural change. With more people having access to the global financial market, there could be an unprecedented redistribution of wealth. But this redistribution will not come without challenges. The accessibility of memecoins also opens doors to abuse and fraud, raising questions about the sustainability of this new economic system. However, if regulated properly, the financial inclusion offered by memecoins could lead to a fair and more equitable economy. Erosion of trust in institutions. The rise of memecoins can be seen as a symptom of the erosion of trust in traditional institutions. When people choose to invest in a digital currency with no tangible intrinsic value, what does that say about their faith in banks and governments? Increasingly, people are moving away from conventional financial systems, tired of decades of manipulation and unfulfilled promises. Meme coins offer an escape, a chance to participate in something that feels more genuine and less controlled. If this trend continues, we could see a mass exodus of capital from traditional financial systems to alternative, decentralized platforms. Not only would this change the power dynamics in the global economy, but it could also precipitate an identity crisis for capitalism as we know it. With trust in institutions declining, the space for alternatives grows. And with it, the potential for an economic transformation that could redefine the way value is created and preserved in the modern world.